Question number 7. A milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. On one he made a gain of 5%, on the other a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss. Okay, in this the selling price is given. Okay, again there are 2 buffaloes, in one he is making profit, in the another one loss. So again there are 2 cases, case 1 and case 2. Okay, this is for buffalo 1 and this is for buffalo 2. Okay, the selling price is given rupees 20,000. Okay, both the buffaloes had been sold for 20,000 each. On selling the first one, he made a profit of 5%, second one loss of 10%. Okay, now we have to find the overall profit or loss. For that we need to know what is the cost price of both the buffaloes. Okay, now the formula to find out the cost price, I told you in my previous video also, from if you have learned one formula you can make all the other formula using that. Okay, so here it will be 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP, because for SP what was the formula, 100 plus profit upon 100 into CP. For this CP it will be just reverse of it. Okay, now here he had loss, so remember whenever there is loss, so the formula will be changed, in place of plus there will be minus loss percent into SP. Apply this formula for this one, and for buffalo 2 this formula, you will find the CP for both. Now to find the overall profit or loss percent, add both the CPs and both the SPs and you can compare there is profit or loss. Okay, now in this they are not asking profit percent or loss percent, they are just asking there is profit or loss, so you don't have to calculate that in percentage. Now question number 8. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax charged on it at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. Children, if you would have gone to buy any item, anything with your parents, you must have seen that when the dealer makes the bill, he always add the GST also, the tax. Now there is GST, earlier there used to be tax and all. So all that tax and all included, and at the end he writes the total amount which a customer has to pay. If you'll go to any of the restaurants or anywhere, if you go like to McDonald's or Domino's, if you will observe the bill, there also you will find the sales tax, the GST and this is called service tax. Okay, this tax you will find on it. Okay, so here the price of the TV, it is question number 8. The cost price of the TV is rupees 13,000. Okay, now the sales tax charged on it is 12%, means 12% extra we have to pay. In the discount we have to give less now, here we have to give more. How much more? 12% of 13,000. So just find out 12% of 13,000. Okay, I will not solve it, you can do it yourself. And then whatever the sales tax is coming, add that tax to the cost price of the TV. So that is the amount he has to pay. Okay.